Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Suzuki Burgman 650. Really nice condition. Lots of different little things which we'll go over through in the visual analysis. Front tyre is perfect. Little nick here on the front mudguard, but nothing major apart from that. Front headlamps and the indicators into the mirrors are all good. All the plastics down here are in really nice condition. Dual front discs. Do a bit of aging in the alloy. All the rubbers here are good around the feet. Very low mileage, only 15,000 miles on her, so as you can expect, is really good condition. Do have a back box carrier if you do want to put a back box on her. 2003 bike, and the back here all really clean. Here we are. Little mark here. Main stand and side stand. This rear tyre is a bit flat, as you can see, so we do have a brand new tyre ready to go on her, so don't be worrying about that rear tyre. It's a Bridgestone one as well. What else do we have? Oh yes, we have all the dials here. We have to go through the gears, different power modes, all sorts of little things with the digital dash. And the nice big mirrors on the side. We do have a slight bit of fading in the front plastics here, but nothing major again. So that's it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the drive along video. Alright, we're away on the Suzuki Burgman 650. First impressions when you get on her, really comfortable. Doesn't feel as heavy as she does when you're just pushing it around. Once you get up to even the slow speed, she doesn't feel so cumbersome. Everything working on her. She's got plenty of power, as you would kind of expect out of a 650 scooter. Lots of nice little bit of torque there. There is also a power setting on this little scooter here, so I don't know, I haven't really researched the bike all too much. I'm not really too sure what to expect, so I'm going to press this power button now. We're in power mode, as which has been indicated to us on the... Oh Jesus. We've gone so fast that our little cupboards here have come undone. There we go. My God, that's quick. That's a quick scooter. If we take it out of power mode, what does it feel like? I don't know. There's also a sequential gearbox that I can see. You can kind of go up and down gears. I'm not too 100% sure on what's going on here. But anyway, we'll do a bit of a... Let's try not to put the feet down. A bit of a test here. Hey, we got it. Some sort of manual mode. Maybe if I put it in this, is that it? I don't know. Power mode feels good anyway, so let's just leave it in power mode. See what happens. Jesus, there's definitely plenty of power in her. Everything working, indicators left and right, mirrors are really nice, no real jittering in them or vibrations going through them. Feeling is really good, even with that rear tyre that's as flat as a pancake really. We do have the spare one there first, so wouldn't be too concerned. Brakes feel very good, and again, power feels excellent. Right, and turn in left here, put her on the side stand and see what she looks like on the road. So another thing is, people ask, is putting your feet down. So the bike is, while it's quite big, I have plenty of room. I'm 6'2", plenty of bend in my legs, so if you're smaller than me, you probably have no bother putting your feet down on this one. What's this? Oh, there it is. That's manual there, look. That's drive and manual. Oh, cool. Okay. I'll put the side stand on now and we'll have a look. I'll put an indicator on so you can see the indicators as well as the lights. It's getting a bit dark out, unfortunately. I hope my camera isn't going to get too distorted, but as you can see, she sits fairly nicely. The absolutely mint bike. It's actually the cleanest Burgman that we've ever got. in stock. Usually these things are just absolutely mauled. It's only got 15,000 miles on the clock as well, so as you can expect, it's feels pretty minty tinty. But that's it for the Suzuki Burgman 650 ride and little overview. So if you did like the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below on anything you would like to know about this bike that I haven't put in this video. And finally, if you haven't already, subscribe.